Hello guys, welcome again to another video, and we'll be presenting to you another special 2-in-1 video, a Matchbox working rigs list and a diecast unboxing for the second part of the video. So first up, we have here the International Workstar, part of the Matchbox construction series, and this is just a great casting. You can see that there, movable parts and fantastic. And number 2 here we have the MAN TGS flatbed cargo hauler, part of the Matchbox service series. Again, movable parts, so these are working rigs as they are called. Next, Matchbox road grader, one of my favorites from the Matchbox construction series as well. This one has a 164 version. This is a really good casting. Next, not really a fan of this one, but still it is still cool. We have the SWAT rescue vehicle, part of the Matchbox rescue series. This one in blue, and really good, really solidly built casting also. Next up, number 5, Garbage King HD, part of their service series. And up next, a red one, we have here the Pierce Velocity Aerial Platform Fire Truck. Whew, that is a long name, part of the Matchbox rescue series. And check that one out. Really cool one of my favorites for this working rigs series. Next up, Western Star 6900 XD, part of the not rescue service series. And yeah, up next, a new casting here, Road Scraper, part of the Matchbox construction series. Probably one of my least favorite in this list. And up next, number 9, we are already at number 9, Matchbox Excavator from the Matchbox construction series. Check that one out. That is a lovely one. Lovely construction vehicle right there. Up next, Scania Tactical Command Center, a new casting, part of the rescue series. And coming up next, we are already at number 11. 2 more to go. We have the GMC 3500 Atwainator truck, part of the Matchbox construction series. I really dig this casting. And up next, my favorite of all 12 vehicles released in the series for 2019, we have the Cement King HD, part of the Matchbox construction series. Again, my favorite. So we will be heading out to our part 2 of the video. Continue watching, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the first part of the video, again, which is the list of the 2019 Matchbox working rigs. And moving on with our Matchbox theme, we are going to take a closer look at this very beautiful casting here. 2017 Honda Civic Hatchback from Matchbox, part of the Matchbox road trip. 14th out of 20 cars in the series. So metal parts here. Of course, the base is not metal. This is just mainline cars. 8 car out of 100. So take a look at the art here. Really cool, stock looking car. Matchbox really does wonderful things with their cars. And check this one out. Check that one out. Really lovely details in this Civic hatchback. I should say looks better than the previous one, which was, I think, blue. Yeah, blue color. And yeah, let's check out the details of this car. This car has this clean red paint job, no sponsors here, racing stripes, flames, none of that. All stock looking beauty here. And check out the details up front. Now, this is what I like about Matchbox. they put, I mean, most of their cars have details front and back, and this one no exception too. So check that one out. So check out the details up front here. Love the details. They have put details on the headlights. Now the bad thing about this one, the headlights really look small. They're supposed to be bigger. And yeah, this one looks like an angry something. I can't name what it is, but looks like an angry animal, if I should say. But still, pretty happy that they've put details, although not really that good. Let's check out the back, anyways. So the back has better details. It has the Civic on the plate. So Civic here, Honda logo right there. Painted the tail lights. So they painted the tail light, the brake light, and the white one here, which is supposed to light up when you go back, and when you put on the reverse gear. And stock rims look good. Here's the base, 2017 Honda Civic. I like Bugatti here. Link on the description down below if you haven't watched the review of that one. So I like that the stance here is not that high compared to the previous one, the blue one. This one looks better, but still looks kind of like an SUV for me. Looks like the Mazda CX-5 that they also have. Do you agree with that? Yeah, for me it looks like the CX-5. But anyway, still a good car. Much better details, in my opinion, compared to the Hot Wheels version. The front headlights suck though. So I hope you enjoyed our video here of the Matchbox 2017 Honda Civic Hatchback here, and also the Matchbox working rigs list. And thank you guys for watching. See you soon. Bye bye guys. Please subscribe to our channel, and yeah, thank you so much for the support. Bye bye guys. Peace out.